Hi guys, and welcome to Transformers Foundation, Transformers Ed, Pakistan. Sort of like Miguel, how excited are we for the next three days?
Yeah, Mohsin, hi, good day. I think it's going to be a very nice experience. Looking forward to have a wonderful event. Yes.
We've got a really jam-packed 3 days sort of like ahead of us, all bite-sized talks, which is amazing. I would like to invite also to Rizwan from Crescent and also Ali Abdullah from Denim to join us as well. And we wouldn't be able to do this event without our founding sort of like members, and especially when we thought about doing Transformers Ed for Pakistan, we of course reached out to our founding sort of like members of the Transformers Foundation. Thank you so much, guys, for letting us do this event. It's going to be quite an awesome couple of days, or 3 days. But yes. Any thoughts sort of before we begin, guys?
Well, let me first of all, welcome everybody. Glad to have you all around this event, which is organized by Transformers Foundation and is supported by important mills in Pakistan. So Rizwan Shafi from Crescent, Ali Abdullah from Diamond. And we would like you to, make a short speech or introduction of, for example, what is denim in Pakistan? What is the importance of denim in Pakistan today? Why Pakistan is now a global power in the denim business? So what do you think, Rizwan? What is the reason why Pakistan is so strong on denim?
Hello, everybody. My name is Rizwan Shafi. I'm the CEO of Crescent Bahuman Limited.
Yes.
We are a vertically integrated jeanswear manufacturer born in 1994 through a joint venture agreement at that time with Greenwood Mills. We were the first vertically integrated plant, certainly in South Asia and maybe in the world at that time. Pakistan was selected as a location because of the indigenous supply of cotton and a very receptive, transforming workforce, which required education, training, a purpose. So we were able to create first a school on premises, starting with early age kids to taking everybody from all walks of life. Virtually everybody who joined CBL joined in as raw. So I'm very happy to be part of Transformers Ed because education is the prime focus here, and how the academia, the foundation like Transformers and industry can collaborate to make an impact on future careers. At this moment, I would say about 100,000 people have gone through the ranks of CBL. Some are still with us and some are servicing the industry as a whole in Pakistan. CBL is a responsible company. Before sustainability became sustainability, for us, sustainability was that the entire industry has to grow. And for that, industry has to play a part in the education side of it, making sure that supply chain of Pakistan remains sustainable. That means people have to be trained from scratch on the right values, the right systems. So the journey has been very turbulent to begin with. And over time, our collaborations with universities like the NTU, Jean School, and other education institutions have helped us transform and hence contribute towards the transformation of the industry. But to your question, I think Pakistan is and will remain to be a very important feature in the world of denim because of the responsibility that the entire industry has taken to service the global supply chain. No one player, whether it is Crescent or somebody else, can contribute towards this transformation alone. So hence, you need partners, you need competitors, you need, the bar has to be raised all the time, and we always have to chase the new target, whether we set it for ourselves or it is set by the industry as a benchmark. So I would say, other than, there was a time that where we thought that, are we a for-profit organization or are we a university? Because we keep training and we keep bleeding a lot of the human resource. And that was because of the lack of training that the industry provided as a whole. And it was an easier access target for people to hop jobs. But I think over time, as the industry has matured, a lot of companies are being very, very responsible in training their own resources, making growth happen from within. And a learning organization culture, which was lacking in this country, is now taking shape. We used to think a learning organization is an organization that teaches. But the transformation that is happening now is also that lesson that the kids or the employees learn has to be retained within the organization, and it has to be embedded in its DNA. So now our challenges are very different after COVID. The supply chain transformation, which has already taken place, the focus on employee well-being. Employees are no longer employees, they are now stakeholders, and they have to be treated as such. Organizations have a great responsibility towards the well-being of the employee and making sure that your supply chain becomes more digitized, whether it is design, whether it is the way you manufacture, whether it is automation. All of those things have to take center stage now. And the way we used to manufacture in the past cannot be the norm of the future. We have to transform. So hence the word transformers is very appropriate, and rightly what we need to transform. And very glad to be part of this.
Thank you, Rizwan. Thank you very much. Ali, can you please introduce Diamond and tell us about your views about the denim industry in Pakistan, a little about the present and the future. Please tell us what you think.
Hi, I'm Ali Abdullah and I'm part of the team at Diamond Denim. Diamond Denim is part of the bigger Sapphire Group. We've been in textiles since the early 70s. Diamond itself within the Sapphire universe is a vertically integrated fashion manufacturing. We do denims, non-denims, corduroys, jacquards, so a diverse range of products. We started collaborating with the Transformers Foundation a couple of years ago. Our key goals were to create awareness and transparency around sustainable practices amongst manufacturers. It's got to be, we always believe that it's got to be a joint effort amongst us to achieve those sustainability goals. And that's basically what this event or this Transformers Ed event's also about, to increase awareness into technologies and practices that we manufacturers are using or are trying to use today to take this industry forward. Denim in Pakistan has always been and will always remain very, very important, as Rizwan just said. We've got a strong cotton base. We've got a lot of skill, and we just need to educate our students and move forward.
Absolutely. Thanks very much, Ali. That's great. Well, Transformers Foundation is the representative voice of the denim. This is our aim, to represent the denim supply chain in the world. Is a complex, as you will see during the presentation, it's a very complex business. And we are very happy and honored that companies like Crescent and Sapphire Diamond are, joining our vision and are collaborating with us to make denim, a better article, an article of the future. So we hope that the sessions that we are going to follow are of your interest. Our aim is that you not only learn, but also you exchange opinion with the experts that you're going to meet, and that you can establish a network of, with these experts for anything that you may ask, for anything you would like to know, anything that you would like to learn about. The people that can answer your questions and doubts. So welcome again. Thanks very much for being with us these days. And yeah, let's try to make a wonderful event for all. Mohsin.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Miguel, and thank you, Rizwan and Ali. That just before we begin, we've got a short video from Andrew Ola. It's about 2 minutes long, and then we're going to kickstart our first talk, actually with Miguel, which is going to be quite awesome.
Yeah, it's me. Yes.
If Joanne can, and also one quick thing. If you guys have got any questions at all, definitely do it in the Q&A or the chat below. And also, if there's any questions even after the event and you think about a question, make sure you go onto the Transformers website. There's a Q&A function. Ask a question. Someone will reply. So that's quite cool. That's great. So Joanne, if you kindly play that video from Andrew, and see you soon, Miguel.
I'm Andrew Ola. I'm the founder of the Transformers Foundation, and I'm here to welcome you to the next few days of education given by amazing people who are doing their best to help students around the world be educated. We hope you enjoy it, but we're confident you will. You are living in a country that has enormous potential of growth and of prosperity in the textile industry. Pakistan is one of 5 countries, including India, including China, including Brazil and Uzbekistan, where you grow cotton and you also make the final product made out of your textile, whether it's a shirt or a jean, a t-shirt or a home. China, India, and Brazil consume a lot of what they produce. In fact, Brazil, I think, consumes 90-something% of what they consume, of what they produce. But in Pakistan, unlike the others, you do not consume as much as you produce. Now we're near it, so that you're going to be a country that the importing countries need desperately to supply them their products. You have really in Pakistan an unlimited opportunity for growth and the ability to deliver transparency to your final customer. This is a fantastic opportunity, and you, the students who will be running this business in the future, you need to understand that you have to have care to the environment and love for the environment and want to take care of it like it was your child. And you need to also be careful with the people that work with you and give them a life that you would like to have. So you would like to have people happy in their work, and in that way, you create a harmonious production basis. Pakistan has enormous potential. You're living in a country like that, and I wish you all the best. Enjoy the few days, and thank you. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, there was a message from the founder of the Transformers Foundation, Andrew Ola. He's based in the United States, and he's also the founder of the most important denim show for professionals in the world. It's called Kingpins Show.